Hey fellow traders, this is Connor. Welcome to our channel. Have you ever faced with the common error while working with MT4? Well, no worries anymore. In today's video, we want to search for a solution. The common error message in MetaTrader 4 might arise for a variety of reasons. It is usually caused by a slow or poor internet connection. To stay connected, MetaTrader 4 requires a direct internet connection with a steady speed. But how to solve this error? Well, please try the following procedures to resolve this issue. Number 1. Close the platform and restart your computer. Number 2. Check your internet connection. Turn off or restart your router, then turn it on after a minute. Number 3. Try to disable antiviruses software or internet security programs. Number 4. Try to log in to your MT4 by using another computer to see whether it is a connection or computer problem. Number 5. Make sure you have selected the correct server at login window. Number 6. Click on the connection bars in the right bottom corner of the platform. Choose Rescan Servers, then close and open the MT4. These 6 ways might help you to solve the common error in MT4. But if you're still having difficulty connecting to your platform, don't forget that we have 24/7 support department at FX Glory. Just give us a call and we will help you ASAP. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out our upcoming videos. Happy trading. Connor out.